Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you 10 facts about Thanksgiving that you probably didn't know. Stay tuned till the end of the video. This video is split into two parts. The first half of the facts are about the story of Thanksgiving, and the second half are some fun facts that I think that you will really like. On a scale of 1 to 10, comment down below what you would rate this video as. Without further ado, let's begin the video. The first Thanksgiving was held in 1621, where the Pilgrims invited the Native Americans to come over to celebrate the first successful harvest. Unlike today's Thanksgiving celebrations, the ceremony in November of 1621 lasted 3 days long. Years later, President George Washington decided to announce the first Thanksgiving national holiday in 1789. It didn't become an annual tradition for years to come. Sarah Josepha Hale, who is famous for writing the nursery rhyme Mary Had a Little Lamb, was inspired to make Thanksgiving a national and annual tradition when reading a diary of a pilgrim. For many long decades, she campaigned for this event to happen. It wasn't until October 3, 1863, when President Abraham Lincoln declared Thanksgiving a national holiday on the fourth Thursday of November because of the Union's big win at Gettysburg during the Civil War. Over the years, people started to realize that Thanksgiving was a good time to be thankful for, just like the Pilgrims were thankful to the Native Americans to teach them how to harvest their crops. Diwali is a festival of lights in the Hindu tradition. It is celebrated with many things similar to Thanksgiving, such as small family gatherings and lots of food. This year, Diwali was on November 14th, 2020, only 10 days from Thanksgiving. The first Thanksgiving football game was held in 1934 and was played between the Detroit Lions and Chicago Bears. This event sparked a new annual tradition in the NFL games. Comment down below if you're going to be watching football on Thanksgiving Day. Number 8. Cities of Turkey. There are 4 cities in the US named Turkey, all in different states throughout the country. Turkey is a city in Louisiana, Texas, North Carolina, and Arizona. You might not have heard of these cities because the population in each city is quite small. Native American Heritage Day, as well as Black Friday, is right after Thanksgiving. Finally, the weirdest one of them all. Canned cranberries first came about in 1912. I hope you enjoyed these 10 awesome facts about Thanksgiving that I think everyone should know. Please don't go without subscribing and liking this video. Please be sure to check out some of my other videos for more content. Thank you. Bye.